Hello, today I'll be showing you how I made this bench. So first I cut pieces of wood. I just used a sample of something I already had and I traced it out and then cut it up. The next I went ahead and I used some legs that I already had for another project that I never got to use. I had 10-inch legs. I got 6-inch form and I used again the wood pieces to cut out exactly the size I needed. And I used the butter knife. As you see here, I used the mattress topper as my form dacron to put around because I saw that on my couches. Then the last piece, this is what I did. I used fabric that I already had in the house. I actually didn't know I had something that was green. I'd forgotten about it. And I didn't want to buy anything because, it gets expensive as you keep doing these projects. And I love, love, love how it turned out. The green is working with that I already have. Look at that.